How to create Apple ID. Creating an Apple ID is a straightforward process that enables you to access various Apple services, such as the App Store, iCloud, and iTunes. I'll provide a detailed guide on how to create an Apple ID covering each step thoroughly. Step 1. Preparation. Before you start, make sure you have the following: a device with internet access, iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Windows PC. An email address that is not associated with another Apple ID. Step 2. Access Apple ID creation. Open a web browser or the App Store on your iOS device. Go to the official Apple ID account creation page, appleid.apple.com. Step 3. Personal information. On the Apple ID creation page, you'll be prompted to enter your first name, last name, and your email address. This email will be your Apple ID username. Make sure it's an email you can access, as you'll receive a verification email shortly. Step 4. Password and security. Create a secure password. Apple requires that your password contains at least 8 characters, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Select 3 security questions and provide answers. These questions will help you recover your account if you forget your password. Step 5. Terms and conditions. Re-enter your password to Step 6. Verification email. After agreeing to the terms, you will receive a verification email at the address you provided. Open your email and click the verification link within it. If you don't receive the email, check your spam folder or request a new one on the Apple ID page. Step 7. Verification code. Once your email is verified, you may need to enter a verification code sent to your email or trusted device. This step adds an extra layer of security to your Apple ID. Step 8. Complete account information. Fill in any missing information on your Apple ID account page, such as your phone number and an optional rescue email address. These details can be used for account recovery and additional security. Step 9. Two-factor authentication optional. Apple highly recommends enabling two-factor authentication. This extra layer of security ensures that only you can access your Apple ID. You can set it up during the account creation process or later. Step 10. Payment information optional. If you intend to make purchases on the App Store or iTunes, you can add payment information such as a credit card or PayPal account to your Apple ID. This step is optional. Step 11. Finish setup. Once you've completed all the required information, your Apple ID is ready for use. You can start downloading apps, using iCloud, and enjoying other Apple services. Step 12. Sign in on your devices. To use your new Apple ID on your iOS or Mac devices, go to Settings or System Preferences and sign in with your newly created Apple ID.